Hey, what's up everyone? In this video I will show you what is the leg rope made of and how to put it on your surfboard. The two main components on your leg rope are the ankle strap and the rail saver. The rail saver is the part that goes onto your surfboard. It connects your surfboard to your leg rope. Your ankle strap goes to your back foot when you stand up on your surfboard. When you buy your leg rope, you should also have a little cord that looks like this. Sometimes it's black, yellow, green, it doesn't really matter what the color is. Sometimes it comes and it's already attached into your rail saver. If it's not, just make sure you get one because that's a must. How do you put your ankle strap on? So that's pretty basic. You've got a little ring there to open it up. Put it on your back foot when you stand up ready to surf on your wave. Put on the back foot. Now, if you surf a softboard, most of the times you will have the little cord included with it. So that means you don't need to get an extra one, and if you already have one on your leg rope, just don't worry about it, it's fine. Why we call this a rail saver? Because it will go around the rail of the surfboard. If your rope is too long, it will go and it will slide into the rail. So make sure the rope doesn't go over the rail. If your cord is not included in your surfboard, you should have the leg rope with the rail saver, your little extra cord there. A little tip for it is to put it in, then you grab your car keys, push it a little bit more, and then grab it on the other side with your car keys or the fin key if you have. Now that you've got your cord in, you open up the rail saver. You want to make sure you fit it through the two loops. First loop in and second loop. Keep both of them right in the middle, the nuts right in the middle of the Velcro. Close it back nice and tight. The reason why I said you got to put it into the two loops is because firstly, you don't want it to be too long and go over the rail. Only the rail saver has to go over the rail to avoid making damage to your board. So if you have the two loops, it's also a bit stronger. So thanks for watching, guys. I just wanted to make it nice and short. If you have any questions or need further details, just send me a message or a comment below and I will assist you with either way buying the right leg rope or any other questions.